seriously here last week, and there was a park here. Now it's completely gone, demolished, which is too bad because this was a fun little park that not very many people went to, so it was nice to not have to worry about kids and stuff. But, you know, maybe they're gonna build a cooler one. You never know. Just got done doing some rain training, did a little bit of jogging, and went to a playground, but it wasn't there anymore, and then some trampoline stuff. Now I'm just gonna finish off some indoor conditioning. Oh, so strong. Oh. It's a ninja warrior. Whoa! Look at her go. Got a little parkour prodigy, baby ninja warrior training going on here. Whoa! Look at how strong you are. Oh. Yeah. Webster time. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little training in the rain session. I also hope it serves as a reminder for you guys that you really can train in any kind of weather, whether it's snow, rain, cold outside. I know it can be more discouraging and a little bit harder to have the motivation to go out and train in that weather, but still, it's possible and you can still have fun. You just gotta, figure out ways to adapt, and it also teaches you control in a different way, because things can be more slippery, a little bit more dangerous. So I tend to take things a little bit lighter, but still focus on control and preparation for the amount of slipping there can be. So just keep that in mind. So I also wanted to let you guys know that I'm now on Patreon. You can check that out by clicking on the link I'll have in the description. But basically what that is it's an opportunity for my fans and just people who want to support my videos and see more high quality, big production videos I'm producing. Because those all cost money, and I don't always get sponsorships to produce those. And so all the money I receive from Patreon goes directly towards the production costs of those videos. I won't use it on anything else except for providing more awesome content for you guys. Potentially down the road, if it gets big enough, I could use it to travel, do travel videos and meet up with my fans in different parts of the world. But right now it's just an opportunity for me to connect with my fans, because there I'll offer more direct communication, replying to questions, as well as doing live streaming videos. And so if that's something you're interested and want to check out, then check out the link. But otherwise, there's no obligation or expectation. It's totally just something that if you want to do it, then awesome. If not, it's all good. But otherwise, you'll still have access to all of my content and all of my videos. So just stay subscribed and you'll see everything I'm up to. And I really appreciate any support you offer me, even if that's just liking my videos. So thanks for watching.